Hi, my name is Joe Albertello. I'm the principal of Christ the King High School, and I'm standing in our state-of-the-art Z-Space lab. These monitors are very, very impressive, but the most impressive thing in this building is our Earl lab filtration system. These were installed in every single classroom in order to make sure our students are protected from any disease or viruses that are going to happen now or in the future. Earl Lab has partnered with us and done a tremendous job of making sure that our classrooms are filtered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are never shut off. We really make our students' safety a top priority. The Board of Trustees, Surf Maltese, Michael Michelle have made an unbelievable commitment to the safety of our students, and we want to say thank you to Earl Lab, thank you to the Board of Trustees, and most of all, thank you to the parents for trusting us with their students.